it out without damaging the pinion. See it? And it's working fantastic. All right. And Ernie from Bearing Bad sent me this. Woo, flawless. Okay, next up we got a bearing that's stuck to the drive gear. We could use the same tool, but we're gonna try something different. The bearing that's stuck to the drive gear, it's a 17 millimeter outer diameter. We're gonna use this Sputnik prototype, and instead of pulling the bearing up, we're gonna push the drive gear down. Okay, so we use a Allen wrench to tighten the set screw and hold the bearing firmly, and after that we're just going to push the drive gear out instead of pulling the bearing up. Alright, we've tightened the set screw, so let's see if this will work. We're just gonna push the drive gear out. Yep, looks like I didn't tighten enough. Pause. Alright, we retightened the set screw. Now we're going to give it another try. Okay. Nope, it's slipping out again. Okay, take 3. Tighten the set screw really tight. And that bearing's stuck on there pretty good. I think we got it this time. That's it. We're able to push the drive gear right out. There it is. Bearing came off the drive gear. Now we just need to loosen the set screw to remove it. Alright, if your Saragosa looks this good inside, it's probably not frozen, but this one was completely frozen over with salt. It only looks this clean after many cycles with the ultrasonic cleaner. You can see the rust, and it's been sitting for probably at least 5 years. We used the Dremel and gently polished that. Okay, surprisingly the bearings are not that bad, because I ran it through the ultrasonic cleaner many times already. It is sealed. I'm gonna try and oil it, and this is the worst one. Might have to replace this one. Okay, we're gonna replace all 3 bearings. Okay. After about 4 hours of cleaning out the interiors and ultrasonic cleaner and lubricant and 3 bearing replaced, it's back in action again. This is a Saragosa 6000F. It is one of the older model, not the SWA or the SW.